Let's look at the tenor clef. I'm going to go to Note Identification and make sure that I have tenor clef selected. In the last video we did alto clef, where I asked you to read the note in treble clef and then move it up one. In tenor clef, I'm going to ask you to do the opposite. Read this in treble clef, but move it down one. So for example, this note in treble clef would be A flat. In tenor clef, this note is G flat. It's important to realize that this note right here along this line is still middle C. Just like in alto clef, it was the middle line that was middle C. In tenor clef, this line is middle C. So in treble clef, that would be a B sharp. In tenor clef, that's A sharp. We're going to move it down one. This would be D in treble clef. To move it down one to get the tenor clef answer, you answer C. Here's an F in treble clef, but we have tenor, so we're moving it down one. That makes it E. This is A in treble clef. Down one is, of course, G. Hopefully this will take you through the range of what you need to know, and you will eventually start thinking in tenor clef if you do it enough. But do use this little trick of naming it in treble clef and then moving it down. That's E flat in treble, so it'll be D flat in tenor. Good luck.